Hello, glad to see you. I am Eric from JSDRILL, a company specialized in mining machinery. Today, I am gonna show you stationary type screw air compressors. This series primarily used with water well drilling and geothermal projects or some other air source requiring. Details inside. All pressure hoses are connected with steel tubes. It will protect rubber from prevent aging. At the same time, the design will make the hoses more wearable and tidy. With patent-designed safety air filter unit and stainless steel air inlet pipes for guaranteed dust filter ability and better protection against dirty air due to rubber hose damage. The new design of the cooler, with each unit mounted independently, is held in place by structural elements and cushions without any stress points. Damage to the cooler caused by deformation of the outer housing of the original product is eliminated and even if damage occurs, it is easy to replace the damaged unit without having to remove the cooler assembly. All maintenance parts are placed within easy reach, and there are information boxes and toolboxes to prevent loss of user data and potential problems such as short circuiting and sparking of battery cables caused by tools left lying around.